Overview on how to get your streaming campus set up. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your admin control panel, and this will take you directly in, and as the outline at the top shows, you've got a streaming player area that you control. We have a choice of video players. You have an active dynamic zone, and I'll show you a little bit more about that later, but you can update this area as the service progresses depending on what's happening during the service. You've got obviously your Who's Online area, and then your chat, map, and teaching notes area that's included here, and I'll show you how to update that. And at the bottom you have what we call a static zone, which is going to be prevalent on each of the designs. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is to choose a design template, and you slide down there, and let's go. There's actually pages and pages of thumbnails of designs to choose from, but let's go with this one for example. And you just select the design you want, hit close, and then now it shows that it's updated. If I pop out to my streaming site and refresh that, it will take on that design theme. So now I have a new design theme here. So let's go ahead and return back. So let's see, the next thing you're going to want to do is to come into your static zone and edit that. And you basically can take church logos, whatever you may need, may have within that environment. Let's see, I've lost my window here. There we go. And it gives you an option to edit this content. And you can put in a church logo, you can put in just about anything you want. I'll just type in something here. You've got a full editor, so you can go in and change the fonts and the alignment and sizes and that sort of thing, colors and that sort of thing. So I've gone ahead and updated that. So let me return back to my admin area. And so now that's updated. The next thing I'm going to want to do is enter my service times. And so the service times, you just simply select the day and time and whether you're observing daylight savings time, and that will set up. There'll be a URL that we'll provide for you in the streaming URL area. And then one of the last things is you have a streaming player. You can choose from a number of players, either Windows or Flash-based players. And there's a set of those. And so, for example, let's say we were broadcasting in Flash. I could choose a Flash player, and my Flash player will update. So, one of the last things I want to show you is this active dynamic zone. So, with that is a palette of countdown timers that you can include, a set of pre-recorded buttons that you can include, or if you scroll to the bottom of this list here, you can go in and add a new active area. And so basically what happens here is, let's say we're starting worship. If I say activate that and pop in here, you'll notice that the site updates. So that's how you administer your streaming admin area.